Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here on the Scoop studio at SMT Nuremberg, and I'm joined by Michael Brianda from Christian Koenen. Michael, great to see you, and exciting to see you in a new role.
Thank you.
So tell me a bit about Christian Koenen as you see it. It's a company that we're all aware of, but it's bigger than we think, isn't it?
Well, first of all, more than 50 years of experience in this family about screens and stencil manufacturing tells a lot, right? I guess the whole industry is about 50 years, so they really started right in the beginning from the gateway. Now, from screens to stencils, that was the area where Christian 15 years ago started his business. And today, I would say it was more than, I think it's roughly 60,000 screens and stencils a year. We are delivering to the top end of our customers, means those multinationals who need volumes, but also to many mid-range privately owned companies who may have very, let's say, difficult printing technologies to overcome, and we have the precision tools for that.
Okay. And when you look back in your former life, maybe when you saw Christian Koenen as a competitor, what do you think it was that meant they were doing so well?
Okay. Fundamentally, focus.
Okay.
In my former life, which had a lot to do with screen printing and stencil printing, it was more on the machine side, understanding what else can be done to improve the process. And of course, as a machine manufacturer, you have many opportunities to influence the process. But one fundamental tool is the precision tool, which is a stencil or a screen, which have to be accurately designed to the designs of our customers' PCB boards. And that part, the machine, if there is an issue, cannot be fixed easily. So you need people who really develop the knowledge to produce and repeat well-designed precision stencils.
Yeah. When you think about a business like Christian Koenen, to me that comes down to two things. It comes down to that deep domain knowledge, that focus that you talk about, but also service. With these stencils, it's not about making them and shipping them at some point. It's getting them where they're needed, when they're needed, quickly.
Absolutely. This is a very fast turnaround business. Customers order on Monday and we deliver on Tuesday. And every design is different. And some of the stencils have maybe 1,000 apertures. Some of them, the newest we have delivered, was 250,000 apertures. It's a wafer application. Now, to be able to manufacture both in a short turnaround is very difficult.
Yeah.
Again, it needs that focus on that precise development and manufacturing of those tools.
Yeah, you must have a really agile manufacturing process. Is that a deployed manufacturing footprint, or is it in a particular location with flexibility internally?
It is definitely. It's first of all, it started all with one facility. Now we have multiple facilities, but fundamental, the core business is in our facility in Munich, where we have several type of lasers, drilling machines, milling machines, but we have several chemical processes as well. We have a clean room there and more than 130 employees who help us to produce all those screens and stencils every day.
Yeah. And you've not been there too long, so a chance to get to know everything. Are you starting to develop a vision of where you see this business going next? Is it geographical growth? How do you see your role developing the business?
Right. Well, that's true. I'm only a couple of weeks there, but very excited because what they have developed there over so many years is really exciting. Now the future it's definitely technology driven. We are searching for new innovation fields. The challenges of our customers is very much the demand on miniaturization combined with the mix of components customers have to deal with today. Finding a precision tool in a fast turnaround business environment is continuously difficult to achieve. Now, we have to work on our turnaround. We want to be fast and slick in our behavior. That means we have to work on structure, on systems, and make it very lean overall. But also we want to expand internationally, become a bit more international business. It's I think already a leading business in Europe. We also sell more and more of our high-end tools to Asia. There are certain areas where, in particular in the semiconductor area, precise tools are shipped over to China.
Yeah.
And also in a screens business, there are not many screens manufacturers left. And we have decided not to go for the easy screens which are required in industrial printing. We are more going for the very precise screens where you talk about 20 micron lines and getting any further. So last week we have cut it in 15 micron thin stainless steel. And this kind of innovation is really exciting, and that's what we are pushing. We're investing a lot. So innovation and expansion internationally is where I feel we need to go.
Yeah, and I absolutely agree. You've got all that exciting stuff moving forward, all that exciting new technology, but those 50 years of roots to fall back on, and that's a fantastic combination. Michael, congratulations on the new post, and thanks for talking to me.
Thank you, Phil.